Hi guys, welcome to Joseph IT Technology Entertainer. Today I'm going to show you how to make karaoke from any video you have in your system, in your PC, without using any software, just by using online. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I have this video song in my system. If I play it a little bit, as you can see, it is one of the Indian songs. Okay, this has vocals and instrumental too. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to make karaoke with it. So in order to make karaoke online, I just have to get the mp3 file of this video. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use Google Chrome and using this simple site called Online Audio Converter. Okay, this is one of the finest way to make mp3 from videos. Going to drag it, and the song is being loaded. It is 11.36 MB in size. Wait until it's get uploaded. Okay, it's most probably done, and just make it standard 128 kbps. You can also increase it, but the standard is this, and simply convert. And it's converted. Now going to download it. Okay, it is only 2.82 MB in size now. Let's download it. This one. Okay, so I'm just going to make karaoke from this song. So again, I'm just going to Google Chrome and using this awesome site called Remove Vocals. Okay, now just dragging that song from that folder, and the song will be processed. Okay, it is now just processing the audio and will give you the result in some seconds. So as you can see, it is processed and asking me to download, and it will be downloaded shortly. Okay, don't be worried, as it gets downloaded to WAV format. Okay, it can be a little bit longer. 2.82 MB of audio size is becoming 31 MB. Don't worry, I will show you how to make it compressed, how to make it less sized. Okay, no issues. Okay, now download is done. This is the one, WAV format. If I play a little bit, okay, it will have no vocal in it. So as you could see that it has no vocal in it, only the instrumental, and it means it is karaoke. Okay, so the task is done. Now, as I said, I will show you how to compress this WB file from the bigger size to smaller. I'm just going to show you again. So again, Google Chrome, and now that site, that is Online Audio Converter, and again bringing that song, this one, WAV. So as it is uploaded, I'm just again going to convert it, keeping standard size. Okay, 128 kbps, the standard, and it's converted, and again asking me to download. Okay, there is only 2.82 MB in size again, and the same file. Okay, this is 31 MB, and this one is only 2.82 MB. Playing it again. I'm not playing long cause it may catch copyright. Okay, as you could see, I just turned my video file to audio and then made it karaoke, and then just made it shorter. Okay, and the quality is superb. If you try at home, you will be able to find it, realize it too. Okay, and that is how you can turn your video to karaoke easily online without an external tool, without an external software, and the quality will be superb. And I hope you really found this video useful. If you did so, then please hit the like button, share experience, use suggestions, and subscribe to this channel of Joseph IT. We always try to make useful videos for all the viewers of ours. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.